Test case versioning lets TestRail Enterprise users analyze changes made to test cases over time, making it easier to understand the change history of an area of an application, or to follow changes made by test case designers. You can compare any two test case versions side by side, analyze highlighted changes between versions, restore an entire test case or just part of a test case to a previous version, and review the full comment history. Viewing and comparing a test case's version history is easy. Simply navigate to a test case and select History from the sidebar to view its full history. To compare two different versions, navigate to the first version you'd like to compare, and then select the second version in the Compare To dropdown. Here, the two-pane comparison view will appear, and you can easily see any differences between the two test-cased versions highlighted in red. Additionally, users with edit case permissions can restore test cases from a previous version using the Restore button that is visible in both the Compare view and the History list. Reviewers can also select individual field values from the Compare view to revert only specific changes, as well as add comments to individual test case versions. Comments associated with each test case version can be viewed on the Compare view. You can also view all comments from all versions from a test case's version history. In addition to comparing test cases, you can also compare versions of shared test steps. When you select the shared test step, you can click on the History button to view previous versions. Just like with test cases, you can compare two different versions of a shared step as well as restore it to a previous version. This action creates a new shared steps version and affects any corresponding test cases using the steps. The Restore option for shared steps only allows restoring the entire set of steps, not data from individual steps.